Check out plants that grow big and huge flowers and add them to your garden to surprise your guests with their enormous blooms. Number 1. The corpse flower. Also popular as the giant Padma, this flower is native to the rainforests of Indonesia and can grow 3 to 4 feet wide. The bloom emits a repulsive odor like rotten meat. Number 2. King Protea. This national flower of South Africa offers artichoke-like blooms that can measure up to 6 to 10 inches wide. The blossoms have pointy and colorful bracts. Number 3. Bigleaf Magnolia. Bigleaf Magnolia is famous for its huge oblong ovate green leaves and ornamental white blooms that can be as big as 8 to 12 inches. Number 4. Mammoth Russian Sunflower. Like the name, the huge mammoth sunflowers open to 10 to 16-inch wide flowers on a plant that can reach up to 12 to 24 feet high. Number 5. Ornamental Onion. The spherical blooms of ornamental onions open in 10-inch violet purple orbs on 2 to 3 feet long stems from late spring to early summer. Number 6. Primal Scream Daylily. The striking tangerine orange blooms measure up to 6 to 8 inches across. This variety is a tetraploid, which means it has 4 times more than the normal chromosomes that offer huge blossoms. Number 7. Dinnerplate Dahlia. Dinnerplate Dahlia opens to 8 to 12 inches across blossoms in multiple hues. Lady Darlene with red petals and Alex Mingus featuring yellow blooms are the best. Number 8. Candle Larkspur. The blue flower spikes can grow up to 2 to 3 feet tall in a striking shade of blue. This variety is part of the New Millennium series and can easily withstand heat and humidity. Number 9. Burgundy Chinese Hibiscus. The velvety dark burgundy petals spread up to 8 to 10 inches across. The bloom's center is almost black, giving it a rich feel. Number 10. Night Blooming Cereus. It's a variety of orchid cactus with flowers that can measure up to 6 to 9 inches wide. The blooms have an intense fragrance and they bloom only at night. Number 11. Oriental Lily. The pure, white, and fragrant flowers can measure almost 8 to 12 inches tall. They come in clusters, which makes them appear bigger than they actually are. Number 12. Shimadaijin Tree Peony. Shimadaijin features scented blooms that can measure 5 to 8 inches across on a 4 to 5 feet tall plant. The blooms come in pink, yellow, white, magenta, and red hues. Number 13. Sacred Lotus. Also popular as the Egyptian lotus, this lovely pond plant offers blooms in rose hues that fade to pink. The flowers spread 8 to 12 inches across and emit a unique fragrance. Number 14. Limelight Hydrangea. This hydrangea boasts a cluster of flowers that can be as wide as 6 to 8 inches. The blooms open in a chartreuse color and then fade to a pink hue. Number 15. Indian Summer Rudbeckia. This short-lived perennial is the All-American Selections winner with flowers that can be 6 to 10 inches wide. Grow it in direct sunlight for an intense yellow hue. Number 16. Miss Edwards Whitaker's Water Lily. This classic tropical water lily is an heirloom cultivar with 8 to 12 inches or wider flowers. The blossoms have lavender petals that mature to white with gold stamens in the center. Number 17. California Giant Zinnia. California Giant Mixed Zinnia displays a mix of shades, including white, pink, purple, yellow, and orange. The blooms open 3 to 5 inches across on tall stems. Number 18. Early Large Flowered Clematis. The blooms open 3 to 7 inches from late spring to early summer and again during the fall. They have lavender blue petals with bright magenta stripes. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.